hell do you think I'm doing? I'm cutting the grass. Your mother's making me do yard work today. I've been gone for 2 weeks. Oh, good for you. You're going bass fishing. Why do I care? Wait a minute, what's new kayak? What lake? Holming? They have bass in there too? Alright. Give me a minute to think.
Oh, he's really showing signs of maturity. He's doing yard work this weekend.
Go! Hi folks, and welcome to another episode of Rick Simon Fishing Adventures. Well, it's that time of year that we've broken out the kayaks. Of course, I bought a kayak last year, and Wayne bought one in March. I was sitting on in my front living room, the doorbell rang, and this showed up. This beautiful ocean kayak Wayne bought for ocean fishing this summer. But we're going to take it out on a lake today and see what we can catch. We're fishing for anything that bites, really. So, hope you enjoy the episode. Well, Wayne bought this new kayak this winter. Got a really nice one, ocean kayak. So, but he's taking it out on the first voyage of the spring here.
All right, folks, let's see what we got here. Well, it's a nice largemouth, barely hooked. I'll be careful with them. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come here. Shoot. Oh, he jet skiers out there. Creating some wake. Nice. Got it. Oh, nope. There we go. Nice. Awesome. Turn that bell off here. Rod holder. That's a nice fish. Okay, folks, we just caught this beautiful largemouth. Now we're gonna let him go. See if he's feeling it. Try him on this side, maybe. Revive him a bit. There he goes. Okay, nice.
Direction of the wind, not against the wind. That's pretty dumb. That's why I missed that fish. Oh, speaking of which, I think he got it this time. Yeah, I got him, Wayne. Yeah.
Nice. Largemouth?
I don't know. Yeah, it's a large. Yeah, it's a largemouth. There you go. All right. Whoa. Nice little largemouth. All right, take him out the hook. He's hooked well, barely took it. Just look at that. Just take him out the hook. All right, let him go. See you, buddy. The minnow's still alive, but can see him on the edge of the boat there. That's something scaring it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, baby, look at that. Woohoo! He came up top water to grab that bad boy. And I saw that fish, or that minnow going up. I knew something was after it. Oh, I gotta just say drag. There you go. It's a good size. Oh, well. So, this guy's got it. He's putting up a good fight. It's a good.
I got one.
All right. There we go. Wait a minute, I'm coming over. Let me see him, bring him over here.
Here, check this out. Doubled up.
All right, bring him over. Wayne caught a fish at the same time I caught one. Wayne's using artificial. You can see if you watch this fish, he comes right out of the water after. It's pretty cool.
Background.
All right, come over. Wayne caught on the one and I caught one on at the same time. Bring it over here a little closer, Wayne. They can't see you from that far away.
No.
All right, I'm gonna take this guy off the hook. Took it perfectly.
Oh, I let mine go.
All right, man.
You got video of them both.
There we go. I got a fish here, folks. I don't think it's as big as that last one. So I'm just gonna try to tape the rest of this show on my GoPro because it's too hard to take my phone off to show me releasing. So I'll just have to. What is this? Oh, it's a perch. Wayne, it's a perch. Yeah. So all right. A bit of a surprise there. Take it easy, buddy. Get this fish right off the hook and let him go. Barely took it. Very pretty little perch. Okay, let you go, bud. See you later. Have a good day. Getting a bite here, folks. Wait for him to really take it. There you go, something little. Oh, it's a perch. What do you know? Another perch. Not the targeted species, but hey, still cool. Should have known it was a perch by the way he was taking it. Bass would have been much more committed. All right. Nice little fish there. Take him on the hook. I hooked him good. Here, buddy. Well, folks, oh, no, nothing's taking it. Well, folks, it's pretty windy out there on the kayak. We're gonna try shore fishing here for a little while. We were having trouble staying over our spots and stuff, so at least I was. Wayne's got foot pedals on his kayak, so. There we go, folks. Our fish there. Oh! Ah! Had him. You're jumping out of the water. I don't know, what are you gonna do? Wayne! Fish broke the hook off the line. Did you tie this hook on here? It wasn't that big, dude. You gotta test that stuff. I want to tighten that kayak a little bit, Wayne. I got him. I got one. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on. Yeah. Oh, here it comes.
Is it a rainbow?
I don't know. Some kind of trout. Yeah, it's a rainbow, big rainbow. That's good size, not huge. Oh, jeez. Pull him over. Ah. Finally got him. All right. Hey, Wayne, can I borrow the pliers? Take it easy, buddy. Take it easy. I'm gonna take you off the hook. Take it easy. Put him in the water. This guy's gonna be fine. Got on the Clio.
Just tightening my drag too.
He's been playing this fish for about 10 minutes. I just turned on the camera here about 2 seconds ago. Oh yeah, he's a big fella.
That was the point to put the Clio on. I knew the Clio would be there.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy.
Here, here's the net at.
I got the net.
That's a monster.
Oh. Yeah, let's go over this way.
Yeah, get out of this guy's way. All right. There you go. I got one there. Oh, I think he got off. No, he's still on there. Can't tell how big he is. I don't think he's that big. Maybe he is. I don't know. I can't tell. Nah, I don't think he's too big. Don't worry about him, Wayne.
You gonna need the net?
Yeah. Yeah, maybe he's a little bigger than I thought. Yeah. Are you gonna have...
You need me to net him?
No, Wayne. Hand me the net. Put it on the boat. Try not to knock the boat over, Wayne. Yeah, he's a good sized fish here. Oh, he's taking some drag there. Alright, buddy. Oh, God. This is hard. There we go. You're getting me on what, dude? Oh. Oh. Oh, that's a big fish.
Watch your rod.
1 second. I know. Whoa, whoa, okay. All right. All right.
Rod.
Make sure you start breathing again real good before we let him go.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. He ain't ready yet. He's tired.
Yeah, right. And get some water through his gills.
It's just breath.
There he goes. You see, folks, when he's opening his mouth like that, that's him drawing in water. It's like us breathing.
And his gills is where you see the real breathing.
Yeah. He's kind of wrapped up in the net there. Is he kicking? There he
See you,
goes.
buddy. Good job.
Bye.
You got. There you go. How big is he?
I don't think he's as big as that one you got, but decent.
You want me to, you need a net? I keep them in the net just so they don't get hurt. Here.
I've got fish grips, but those are
You got him. Here, can you catch this? Here. There you go. Bring him over here. Where'd you get him on?
Oh, we got these lures in.
Oh, you could just take him out and let him go. You got him on the Colorado, or?
No, it's a special lure. It's stuck in the net now, but.
There we go. I caught mine on the rooster tail. All right, that's it. Let him go, buddy. Good job. There he goes. Yeah. There you go. That's a nice fish. All right, let him go. It's a big fish. I don't know what it is. Thing's pulling my kayak. It's taking me for a ride. I know it's a trout, but I don't know if it's a rainbow or what. It's a big one. Won't drag out. Oh jeez, this is a monster. Wayne! Monster. I mean monster. I don't even know if I can get this one in the net. Wayne, I'm gonna need help with this fish. Yeah, that's a big rainbow here, folks. Well, not as big as I thought, but still monster. Oh, jeez. Oh, there we go. Hey, Wayne, check this fish out. Whoa, 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 buddy. Whoa, whoa. All right, he's in the net now, so we'll put him back in the water. So he had a big fight. We don't want him. That was a hell of a fight. I want to make sure I have my camera on. Wayne, please come here. I need help. Well, folks, we took this guy off the hook and I revived him a little bit. This is a monster trout.
Hold him up. Nice.
Let's see, make sure he's okay. Oh, did he take off?
Yep, he's gone.
Kept him in the net in the water while I was removing the hook, so I think that helped
Nice.
preserve him. Oh, he's going way down there now. Way down to the bottom.
Back to terrorize.
All right. All right, I got you. Huh?
The big one.
All right. How big is he?
I don't know, he's taking drag though.
All right, 1 sec. Trying to get over there is hard.
Oh, I got him.
Oh, he's big. Paddling with a kayak and trying to film my son catching a fish at the same time. All right, I'm just gonna give it one more push, Wayne. Oh my Lord. Oh, that's a nice one, buddy. Good job.
Took good too.
Huh?
He took good too.
Good. I'll take him. Yeah, be careful with him. Nice job, bud. Oh, gotta be careful.
Here we go. Nice. Okay, let him go.
Okay, let him go. He's ready. Maybe. So now he's ready. When he's pulling like that, that's when you let him go. So Wayne bought these lures up in Maine. He's been having good luck with them, so I'm gonna, of course, switch to what he's doing. It's got a little orange stripe on it. He's using his as more fluorescent. There we go, I got a fish there, folks. This one doesn't feel like he's that big. He might be, though. Not as big as the last one, that's for sure. But he's putting up a good fight. It's a pretty heavy rod. Oh, he's pulling me too. Maybe this is bigger than I thought. Oh, he's really deep still. It's another rainbow. Yeah. Uh-oh. So I put him in the net because that way he doesn't flap around in the boat and hurt himself. And you can still keep him in the water while you're taking him off the hook. So that one's not quite as big as the last one. It's still a nice fish though, folks. So, all right, I'm gonna take him off the hook now and let him go. All right, so keep him in here and got him off the hook. And one good thing about kayaks is, well, you can see this. Hard to see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, I'm just gonna let him go. See, buddy. Revive him a little bit. Get him oriented. When you see his gills start to go back and he's taking in air, that's him catching his breath. So I'll let him catch his breath for a moment. That way he gets away and he has a chance of getting back down to the deep depths when it's a really hot day like this. If you let him go too quickly without letting them catch their breath, I could feel him getting a little stronger. See him? He's like, all right, let me go. See? There he goes. Very healthy. That's how you release a fish. There we go. Got him. There we go. I just want to put up a little bit. Pretty good, decent fight already, but I'll just see how big he is. Oh, he's pulling me. I got one, Wayne. Yeah. I don't know where he's at. Oh. Did he get off? No, he's still there. I don't think he's that big. Or maybe yeah, he is. He is pretty big. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Oh, there we go. Nice. Oh, easy, buddy. Easy, 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 easy. Let me get you out the hook. Let me get. All right, bring it over here. Oh, wow.
Acrobatic.
You got him?
Yeah.
All right, come on over here. I gotta get your pliers to get this guy off. This guy's like, all right, I'm ready to go.
It doesn't work for trout like it does for bass.
You got him or no? All right. Here, bring him, come over this way. You gotta use your... All right.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him. I'm gonna need... All right, bring him over a little bit closer. God. That's why I'm not the big...
Folks, if you can't tell, we're novice.
Wayne! Alright. Oh, he just got up. Right here.
Oh, he got up?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Take the... Oh. Take the thing out of the net. Keep them in the water this way.
Bail off.
Here. Oh, come on, Wayne. I got a fish in one hand and a fish in the other. Can you move? Grab it. Grab it. All right, get that out of there. I'm just gonna let this fish go so he doesn't. Okay. Let's get him. Hold on to my.
Don't hook yourself.
I'm not. Oh,
He's gone?
yeah, he's gone. Right now I need to polish to this other guy. All right, here you go, folks. Got him off the hook. Let him go. He's riding pretty good. I just want to make sure though. There we go. All right. Whoa. Yeah, I got it on video. Need a net? Oh no. Here. Oh. That's a good size one.
Came undone in the net.
Oh, good.
Good. Stop it.
Make sure, let's just make sure he's showing up on camera. Yeah, he's showing up. Whoa. All right.
Like some more.
All right, dude. All right. I had that effect on trout. This guy looks sort of a little rough.
Yeah, pretty tough. He looks like he's been around the block a little.
Yeah, I think he has. Got a big gouge out of his head. There you go. See you, buddy.
Marks on his side.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Rick Simon Fishing Adventures. It's been a while since we've done a kayak episode. Obviously, the weather had a lot to do with that, and I've been traveling a lot, and Wayne's been in school. He just finished up this week, so we're going to be doing a lot more kayak episodes. Hopefully get some kayak episodes on the ocean, multiple species, but it was good to get out here today and test Wayne's new kayak out. So hope you enjoyed this episode, folks, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Have a great day.